Welcome to the Easy Bathrooms Planner, your go-to tool for designing the perfect bathroom. Whether you're looking to take on a full renovation or simply to update your space, our planner will help you bring your vision to life in just a few steps. Why use the Easy Bathrooms Planner? Simple. It allows you to easily visualize your room before making any decisions, test different design ideas and find the perfect fit, ensure layout accuracy so every item fits just right, match tiles and find the perfect combination for your style. Designing your dream bathroom has never been easier with the Easy Bathrooms Planner. In just 5 simple steps, you can bring your vision to life. Step 1. Select a bathroom shape. Start by selecting the shape of your bathroom or adding your bathroom dimensions, whether it's a standard square, rectangle or something unique. This step helps you lay the groundwork for your design. Step 2. Insert windows and doors to match your actual space. This helps you plan natural light and decide where best to place furniture and fixtures. Step 3. Add tiles and furniture. Now bring your bathroom to life. Choose from a wide range of tiles, bathtubs, showers, sinks, and storage options to create a stylish, functional space. Step 4. Finalize your design. Once your layout is complete, step back and explore your design from every angle, 2D, 3D, or 360 degree, or a high definition photo. Get a realistic preview before making any final decisions. Step 5. Add items to your basket. Love your design? Easily add your chosen products to your basket or send it to a near showroom, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience. By sending your plan to a showroom, you gain access to free professional technical advice, which will help you make a more informed decision and refine your layout before purchasing. And that's it. With the Easy Bathrooms Planner, you can bring your dream bathroom to life in a simple, stress-free and fun manner. We have our team on hand to help you every step of the way. So why wait? Start designing your dream bathroom today. At Easy Bathrooms, we make luxury simple.